Good evening, everyone. You're watching Mojo with Deepika. Tonight, we look past the headlines of melting ice caps to a much more terrifying reality. We aren't just facing a climate catastrophe, we are entering what experts call an era of mass insanity. The data is undeniable. For 11 consecutive months, every single month has shattered previous historical heat records. But this heat is doing much more than just warming the planet. It is breaking the human mind. Our biological systems and neural circuits were never evolved to survive these temperatures. In Bihar, we are already seeing the symptoms. Dog bites have surged six-fold in a single month, not because of rabies, but because the animals have been driven mad by the heat. This same aggression is manifesting in humans, with heat-induced mass insanity threatening to trigger a global rise in civil wars. The crisis is hitting home harder than anywhere else. Of the 100 most polluted cities in the world, 99, can you imagine? 99 are in Asia, and of which 83 are in India. Furthermore, 9 of the world's top 10 most polluted cities are located right here in our country. But the question is, who is responsible? Well, the common man is told to recycle and use electric vehicles. The resources reveal a staggering disparity. Just 57 companies are responsible for 80% of all global emissions. A mere 0.1% of the global population is driving the entire planet toward destruction through ultra-high consumption lifestyle. In fact, the emissions from the top 1% of global emitters are projected to cause 1.3 million deaths in the coming decades due to extreme heat. We all are caught in a negative feedback loop. As it gets hotter, we use more air conditioning, a process where cooling efficiency is only about 40 to 45%, requiring double the energy of heating. This massive electricity demand leads to more carbon emissions, which in turn makes the planet even hotter. Even our green solutions carry a heavy price. To extract just 1 ton of lithium for electric vehicle batteries, 2 million liters. Imagine 2 million liters of fresh water is required. The future of our survival is at stake. Venezuela has already lost its last glacier, and the sources warn that India's Gangotri Glacier is next. Without the glaciers and the monsoon, which depends on delicate temperature differentials that are now being disrupted, India faces a future of first floods and then total drought. We are warned that 35% of the world's population currently depends on medication. If the industrial grid collapses, 20% of those people would die within a month. This message is clear. Our current idols, the celebrities who promote unlimited consumption, are leading us to a brink. One celebrity wedding alone was reported to have left behind 24,000 kilograms of trash. We do not shift our values away from consumption and toward consciousness. We won't just face extinction, we will, as the sources warn, go insane before we die. We'll meet you in our next episode. Till then, stay connected, stay informed, and keep watching Mojo with Deepika.